Hello and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll explain common icons you'll come across in the Activity Center. Understanding these icons and utilizing their functions will help you efficiently manage your projects. For this example, let's first enable some fields. We'll turn on Messages, Assignees, End Date, and Progress. These circle icons under Assignees show the respective assignees to projects and tasks. If a profile photo hasn't been uploaded, the user initials will appear. Any red dot beside a task or a project means that it's past the due date. A blue dot signifies a notification or message that is unread. At the top, you'll see the different options to view the Activity Center as a table, Gantt, Kanban, or the calendar. And you'll also see these icons depending on how you save the views. The P icon indicates projects, T indicates a task, and the yellow diamond indicates a milestone. Moving on to ellipses icons. Anytime you see 3 dots throughout Easy Projects, they'll allow you to expand some additional options. The first one is up here. There's another one every time you hover over a project or a task. At the project level, you'll see things like auto-assign, adding activities, capturing project plans, overriding baselines, financials, AI forecasts, and more. At the task level, you'll be able to add another activity or sub-activity, set milestones, and more. If you open up the details, this is where you'll also see an ellipses at the top right. You will also encounter a lot of plus icons in different places. You can add activities here, or sub-activities. You can add members in details. You can also add dependencies, or if you're in filters, you can add new categories. Drop-down arrows easily expand and collapse certain fields at the Activity Center, but also up here to expand project templates. The flag icon indicates priority, which you can change. Project progress indicates the percentage of completion, as well as dates, work hours, and financials will similarly have respective gauges. Anything that's in red will mean that they are either overdue or over budget. Under project details, the briefcase indicates the portfolio, while the skyscraper shows the group or organization. Lastly, in the communication box, you can use the paperclip icon to attach files, you can mention users, and with this icon, you can request approval. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use Easy Projects. Thank you and have a great day.